Look at our weather headlines. We are saying very pleasant today, but we're noticing that increasing cloud cover, and we're watching that coastal low for the weekend rain as well as wind. Temperatures right now mid 70s. It's overall very pleasant with our dew points in the 50s and low 60s. So still seeing those lower humidity numbers throughout the area. It feels very nice. And as we're going through the day today, it'll continue to feel nice. Temperatures get into the upper 70s with partly cloudy skies turning to mostly cloudy skies by late in the day. Looking towards the foothills, we get temperatures in the upper 70s with some clouds here and there, calm skies as calm winds as we head into the evening. And in the mountains, temperatures in the low 70s late in the day. But here's what we're watching as we go through your Friday and Saturday especially. Potential tropical cyclone 16 is likely to become a tropical storm here as we head through the day today and into tomorrow. And as we're watching through the next couple of hours, it will likely make landfall along the Carolina coastline here as we head into Friday into Saturday. So we can see, of course, those wind speeds right now at 35 miles per hour, moving north at 9 miles per hour. What we have along the coastline is that tropical storm warning for North Carolina coastline as well as for our Virginia coastline areas. This is because of those strong winds, tropical storm force winds likely, as well as heavy rain and storm surge that could cause flooding. So here's a look at our tropical storm wind probability. So we're looking at the likelihood of seeing winds higher than 39 miles per hour. And as we head through the next couple of hours, in the next day or two, you can see that that wind speed and that tropical storm impact will likely be felt along the coastline and into the parts of North Carolina about as far west as Raleigh. But for us, we'll still expect some stronger winds, even though they will not be tropical storm force winds here. So here's a look at our Friday afternoon wind speeds. Right now we're looking at sustained winds. So what that means is wind speeds that are lasting longer than a minute. So not gusts here, sustained winds in the 10, 15, and then 20 mile per hour range as we head through the day on Friday, overnight Saturday into Friday into Saturday, continuing to see those very strong winds all the way through the day on Saturday, strong winds as well. And then into the evening, finally starting to see those winds back down slightly. So you can see that'll last for us for the day, Friday into Saturday. And then of course, the other question is the rain. Here's a look at our rainfall forecast. As we start off tomorrow morning and then head into the afternoon, we stay mostly dry with the exception of a couple of showers possible. We will notice a lot of cloud cover, but then as we head into the later part of the day, that rain is likely to start moving into our area. It'll be steady, but mostly light, at least through the day on Friday. Into the overnight hours, occasional heavy downpours possible, maybe some higher rain totals in our eastern portions of our forecast area, and then that steady rain continuing to move west as we head through the overnight and into Saturday morning. Here's a look at Saturday morning where those showers continue. We'll see more of those bands of rain at this point, and that'll continue until that system moves far enough to the north that we don't end up with those bands any longer, likely happening by Saturday evening. So overall, we see that rain continuing through Friday into Saturday, but at this point we're looking at about a half an inch to an inch of rain throughout the event. But I'll tell you that we've got a lot of different data here, so it could be higher, especially in our eastern spots in our forecast area. This is something to watch here over the next couple of days. You'll want to stay with us for just about any update that we are getting here. And of course, we'll have more updates for you this evening right here on WXII, and you'll want to stay tuned for that. We're keeping a very close eye on this, but at this point, we're thinking that we are pretty sure it's going to impact your weekend here, Friday into Saturday. Those showers, that steady rain at times, and then of course, those gusty winds as well, with that sustained wind staying high as we head through that first half of your weekend. And believe it or not, Saturday is also the first day of fall, so we'll be feeling those impacts then.